Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be comparing Pipedrive and Monday CRM in 2025. This guide is useful if you want a tool that fits your workflow, team size, and daily operations. So yeah, for the first one, which is purpose. So Pipedrive is built specifically for sales pipeline management, while Monday CRM is a customizable work OS where you build your CRM setup from boards, columns, automations, and views. Second one, which is interface comparison. So Pipedrive has deal pipelines, drag and drop deal stages, and left side navigation with deals, contacts, emails, leads, inbox, and all that stuff. And it is optimized for fast sales work. So on the other hand, Monday CRM has boards with customizable columns including status, text, numbers, people, date, formula, connect boards, and so on. And you could also build pipelines, task boards, calendars, and dashboards, and it is extremely flexible for teams beyond sales. Now, for their features breakdown. So for Pipedrive, it has smart contact data, sales forecasting, lead inbox, email sync and tracking, simple automation recipes, and revenue reporting. For Monday CRM, it has custom boards for leads, projects, clients, hundreds of automation templates, and as timeline, Gantt, Kanban, and calendar views. And it also has integrations with Slack, Zoom, Gmail, Stripe, and so on. And it also has dashboards with widgets, which is charts, counters, and workload. Now, for the workflow example, so for Wipe Drive, you can add deal, and then you can assign the stage, you can schedule follow up, and you can track the pipeline progress. While for Monday CRM, you can create your board, add custom fields, set up automations, and track entire team workflows. Now let's go over to the pricing. So Pipedrive is more affordable and has predictable monthly pricing, while Monday has a pricing that varies based on users plus features plus automations. So yeah, for the last one, for best use cases, you can choose Pipedrive if you only need clean sales pipeline management and you want minimal setup. On the other hand, you can choose Monday CRM if you need CRM plus project management and you really like customization and you want workspace for your whole team. And yeah, that's it. Now you now know the difference between Pipedrive and Monday CRM. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.